Hello everyone, my name is Makaria, and today I will talk about the unsung heroes of the esports, the production crew. In competitive gaming, the spotlight often shines on the players, the teams, and the games themselves. However, behind every thrilling esports event, there is a dedicated and mostly skilled group who work tirelessly to bring the show to life, and that's the production crew. They are the backbone of the esports industry itself, covering aspects like technology, creativity, the coordination to ensure that every event is engaging and enjoyable and runs smoothly most of the time. Today I will try and explain the critical roles within an esport production crew, the technologies they utilize, and also the impact they have on the esports experience, and also how can you get involved in this exciting field if this is something that gets you excited. First of all, I'm going to talk about the role of the production crew. An esport production crew is basically composed of several different key roles, each contributing to the overall success of an event. The first role I want to mention is none other than the producer. The producer is the mastermind behind the event, overseeing the entire process. They coordinate with every member of the crew, managing timelines, and even ensuring that basically everything runs smoothly. Their job involves a lot of problem solving, like immense amount of problem solving and quick decision making, especially when unexpected issues arise, because there are always issues that you wouldn't calculate. If you're interested in becoming a producer, consider gaining experience through internships or even volunteer opportunities with local esports tournaments or maybe streaming setups. That can help you a lot. Understanding project management, having good communication skills, and the ability to stay calm under pressure are crucial. Many online courses and certifications in media production can also provide you valuable skills as well. The second role of the prod team I will talk about is the director. The director is responsible for the visual and narrative direction of the broadcast. They make decisions about camera angles, replays, and how the action is presented to the audience on screen or even at a venue. A good director has keen eye for detail, and ideally, they have the ability to anticipate the flow of the game. Aspiring directors can start by studying film and television production, focusing on live direction and sports broadcasting, I would say. Engaging in hands-on practice through student projects or community events can help you get started in this field. Additionally, networking with industry professionals and seeking mentorship can provide you guidance and opportunities as well. But I would say it works on all of the fields I'm mentioning. There are different types of camera operators and observers in a production crew. They capture live action from various angles. They work in sync with the director to provide dynamic and engaging shots that enhance the viewing experience. Also, their work is crucial in maintaining the excitement and intensity of the games. To become a camera operator, you can begin by learning about camera equipment and techniques through, for example, workshops or online tutorials. Practice by filming local events or creating your own content to develop your skills. Understanding the nuances of esport games and how to capture their action effectively can also be beneficial. And also, as an observer, you can easily learn the basics as long as the game has spectator mode. Basically, you can just play around and practice the control of the in-game camera, and that's a great kickoff. The next part of the production crew is the graphics and animation team. They create and usually manages the on-screen graphics, obviously, and that can include player statistics, for example, team logos, and other visual elements. Their work helps in providing context and enriching the viewer's understanding of the game. If you're interested in graphics and animation, you can start by learning graphic design softwares such as Adobe Photoshop, for example, After Effects, or even Blender. There are plenty of these out there. Building a portfolio of your work and seeking opportunities to collaborate on esports projects can help you gain recognition, experience, and even some good reference. The next part is, I would say, another very important part is the audio engineers. They manage the sound quality of the broadcast from the analyst desk through break music to even gameplay and commentator sounds. They manage every sound. They ensure that the game sounds, the commentary, and even the crowd noise are balanced and clear. Good audio is essential for creating an unforgettable experience for the viewers. Aspiring audio engineers should gain experience with audio recording and mixing equipment, I would say. Also, online courses in audio engineering and sound design can provide foundational knowledge. And just like before, as I mentioned, volunteering for local events or working on small-scale projects can also offer practical experience. And that's where you get started, basically. While not always considered part of the production crew, I would say commentators and analysts play a significant role in the broadcast. In a previous video I explained in depth about this role. They provide insights, commentary, and analysis, which help basically engaging the audience and enhancing their understanding of the game. To pursue a career in commentary or even analysis or as a host, you start by developing your knowledge of different types of esport games or even just the game that you want to cast and the strategies of these games. Practice speaking clearly and engagingly. That's a must. And also, another side note, networking with industry professionals and gaining experience through smaller events can also help in breaking into these fields. The production of esports events relies on a wide range of technologies and tools that need to be prepared and always set up properly. A broadcast software is used to manage live broadcast, switch between camera feeds, and overlay graphics. Programs like OBS Studio, vMix, and Switcher Studio are commonly used to ensure a professional and smooth broadcast. If you are interested in production, it is worth to familiarize yourself with these tools by downloading them and experimenting with with basically their features. Many software companies offer free versions or trials that allow you to practice and develop your skills, and also there are countless online tutorials and forums that can provide additional guidance. Other very important tools are the cameras and different equipment that are specialized to capture the live action. From stationary cameras to mobile units, and even sometimes drones, each piece of equipment is chosen based on the specific needs of the event. If you are interested in camera work, consider investing in a good quality camera and practicing filming different types of content. Understanding the technical specifications and learning how to use different types of cameras can be really valuable. Joining local filmmaking or even photographic groups can also provide hands-on experience. Graphics engines are used to create and display on-screen graphics. These engines allow for real-time updates and dynamic visual elements that enhance the viewer experience. Learning to use these graphic engines often involves advanced training. Consider enrolling in special courses or even, I would say, certifications in broadcast graphics, because this is a field that is a bit complex. Building a portfolio with examples of your work and seeking internships or even entry-level positions in the field can help you gain practical experience, and it is very useful. The audio equipment includes professional-grade microphones, mixers, and soundproofing. These are a must for delivering high-quality audio. As I mentioned before, the audio engineers use these tools to ensure that every sound is captured accurately and delivered clearly to the audience. To work with audio equipment, you can start by learning about different types of microphones, mixers, and audio processing techniques. Hands-on experience with these tools, whether through personal projects or even volunteering, will enhance your skills to a good level. Also, there are plenty of online communities and forums that can provide valuable insight and support, just like as most parts I covered today. The next part that is very important are the streaming platforms. Platforms like Twitch, YouTube Gaming, Facebook Gaming are used to broadcast esports events, basically to a global audience, to a worldwide audience, I would say. Choice of platform can influence the reach and accessibility of the event. Understanding the features and capabilities of different streaming platforms can also help you make informed decisions for your own project. I would say experiment with streaming setups and engage with the community to learn best practices and strategies for maximizing audience reach. That will be a vital part for a long-lasting career. The impact of the production crew on an esports event is just immeasurable. Their work not only affects the quality of the broadcast, but also shapes the overall viewer experience. Let me explain some ways where the production crew contributes to the success of an esports event. The prod team simply enhance the engagement. High-quality production values, including dynamic camera work, clear audio, and engaging graphics, will keep the viewers entertained, and they will be invested in the event. By learning and applying production techniques, you contribute to creating unforgettable content. Whether you are involved in camera work, audio engineering, or graphic design, your skills directly impact how viewers experience the event. Not only that, but the production crew provide context for different situations at any esports event or tournament. Graphics and commentary will help to explain complex game mechanics and strategies, making the content more accessible for casual viewers as well. Developing a strong understanding of game mechanics and communicating effectively can also help decrease the gap between expert and casual audiences. Engaging in content creation or analysis allows you to contribute to making esports more accessible and enjoyable in the same time. The production crew plays a key role in building the atmosphere of the event, whether it's offline or online. From capturing crowd reactions to managing live commentary, they create an environment that reflects the excitement and intensity of the competition. To contribute to the atmosphere of an event, you need to understand the nuances of live production and engaging with the audience in real time. Whether through live commentary or camera work, your involvement helps create a memorable experience. And I would say last but not least, the professional production team is a well-coordinated production crew that ensures every event runs smoothly, with minimal technical difficulties and disruptions. This professionalism contributes to the overall success of the event. Striving for professionalism in your work, whether in technical roles or creativity positions, for example, or creative positions, it will enhance the overall quality of an esports event. The attention to detail and commitment to excellence can make a significant difference in the success of a production. Basically, it separates the great from the good. All in all, the production crew is a vital part of the esports ecosystem. Their expertise and dedication ensure that every event is not only functional, but also captivating and memorable. While players may take center stage, it is the production crew that truly brings the event to life, creating a polished and professional experience for viewers around the world. As esports continues to grow, the role of the production crew will undoubtedly remain crucial in shaping the future of competitive gaming. I would say the behind-the-scenes efforts may go unnoticed by some, but their impact is felt by everyone who experienced the thrill of an esports event. Personally, my favorite thing is that once you get into a production team, your knowledge will grow so fast on other aspects. Not only the one you specialized is the one you will know things about. If you're passionate about gaming and media, consider getting involved in esports production. It's still a new field where your skills and creativity can really shine. And pretty much that's it that I've covered today. Thank you for watching. If there is any part of production that I missed, please share it with us in the comments. Good luck in finding your place in the most interesting part of the entertainment business, and take care.